Welcome back, beauty sleuths. I'm so glad you're here for another episode of the Great Dupe Detective Agency, where we put the hottest beauty rumors to the test and uncover the truth behind your favorite products. Today, we're launching a full-scale investigation into the world of drugstore dupes, those wallet-friendly products that promise to deliver the same results as their luxury counterparts, but at a fraction of the price. The big question is, can a $10 foundation really compete with a $60 cult favorite, or is it all just clever marketing? We're about to put these claims under the microscope. To get to the bottom of this, I'll be building a full face using only the most hyped and talked about drugstore dupes, comparing them to their high-end inspirations every step of the way. It's prestige versus pharmacy in the ultimate beauty showdown. Think of it as a makeup battle royale, where only the best formulas will survive. I'll be testing legendary dupes side by side with their high-end inspirations, judging everything from texture and coverage to wear time and finish, to see if these affordable alternatives truly deliver on their promises. So, grab your brushes and join the experiment. Let me know your favorite drugstore dupe in the comments below. Are you ready to uncover the truth? Let's begin our investigation and see which products really deserve a spot in your makeup bag. First up, let's talk foundation, the base of every great makeup look. Whether you're aiming for a natural glow or a full glam finish, the right foundation can make all the difference. On the right, we have Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, an iconic favorite among makeup artists and beauty lovers alike, celebrated for its radiant, skin-like finish that seems to blur imperfections while letting your natural beauty shine through. On the left, there's Maybelline Fit Me, dewy plus smooth, the drugstore darling that's earned a cult following for its affordability and impressive results. It promises a fresh, dewy complexion without breaking the bank. Both foundations blend seamlessly into the skin, feel incredibly lightweight, and deliver that coveted, healthy, luminous glow. The texture is smooth, and neither one feels heavy or cakey, even after layering. The Maybelline side is just a touch dewier, giving a slightly more radiant finish, but honestly, the difference is so subtle that you'd have to look really closely to spot it. From a normal distance, you'd never guess I'm wearing two different foundations. The finish is so even and natural, it's basically impossible to tell them apart in everyday life. Of course, the real test is how these foundations hold up over time. Will they stay flawless through a busy day? That's something we'll have to see. But for now, Maybelline is proving to be a serious contender. If you're after that expensive skin look, but want to save some cash, this dupe is a total win. You get a gorgeous finish without the luxury price tag, making it a smart choice for beauty lovers on a budget. The case of the flawless foundation. It's looking very good for Maybelline. Stay tuned, there's more beauty sleuthing to come. Time for lashes. Let's dive into the world of mascaras, where every swipe can transform your look in seconds. Today we're putting two cult favorites head-to-head in a dramatic showdown. It's the iconic Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara versus the much-loved L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Both are famous for their bold claims and loyal followings. Each features a signature hourglass-shaped brush, designed to hug every lash and promise dramatic, voluminous results that make your eyes pop. When it comes to application, the experience is nearly identical, smooth, easy, and clump-free. Both formulas glide on effortlessly, letting you build up drama without any mess. After two coats, you'll notice both sides deliver intense volume and impressive length, instantly making lashes look fuller and more defined. The L'Oreal formula feels just a touch wetter, but honestly, the final effect is almost impossible to tell apart from the high-end option. Both mascaras deliver ultra-black pigment, with no flaking or smudging throughout the day, so your lashes stay flawless from morning to night. If you crave bold, dramatic lashes but want to save some cash, Lash Paradise is a perfect dupe, giving you luxury results at a drugstore price. This mascara masquerade? Total success. With lashes this stunning, who wouldn't want to keep exploring more beauty favorites? Let's keep going! Next, primer. Tatcha Silk Canvas versus ELF Poreless Putty Primer. Both have a balmy texture and promise to blur pores and grip makeup. Tatcha feels luxurious, but ELF melts in just as smoothly and blurs pores impressively. Foundation glides over both, and my skin looks even and smooth on each side. The main difference? Tatcha's scent and packaging. Performance-wise, ELF delivers a high-end priming experience for a fraction of the price. The primer puzzle is solved. ELF is a phenomenal dupe. Let's move to lips. Transition. Lips. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb versus NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. Fenty is famous for its shine and comfort, but NYX glides on buttery smooth and non-sticky. The color match is impressively close and both give a juicy, plump look. Fenty has a more complex shimmer, but NYX delivers on shine and comfort. For the price, NYX is an incredible alternative. The glossy gambit pays off. NYX nails the dupe. Let's add some color to the cheeks. Transition. Blush time. NARS Orgasm versus Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. NARS is iconic for its peachy pink with gold shimmer. Milani offers a warm, peachy glow with a luminous finish. Both blend beautifully and give a healthy, radiant flush. NARS has more shimmer. Milani is more subtle, but the effect is strikingly similar. If you want that signature glow without the price, Milani is a fantastic option. The blush brouhaha? Milani holds its own. Let's highlight. Transition. Highlighter showdown. Becca Champagne Pop versus Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. Becca is buttery and gives a wet look glow. Wet n Wild is creamy, intense and metallic. Both deliver a blinding highlight with minimal texture. Becca is slightly more refined. Wet n Wild is more metallic, but both are stunning. For a fraction of the price, Wet n Wild absolutely steals the show. The highlighter heist is a success. Drugstore glow achieved. Time for bronzer. Transition. Bronzer face-off. Benefit Hoola versus Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Hoola is matte and neutral, perfect for sculpting. Butter Bronzer is soft, blendable, and gives a subtle satin glow. Both blend effortlessly and add natural warmth. Hoola is great for contour, Butter Bronzer for a healthy, luminous finish. The undertones differ slightly, but both deliver beautiful results. If you want a radiant, skin-like bronze, Butter Bronzer is a top pick. This battle ends in a draw. Both are winners. Let's wrap up. And there you have it, a full face of legendary drugstore dupes. The results? Drugstore products rivaled their high-end counterparts in nearly every category. You don't need to spend a fortune for a flawless look. Affordable beauty is real. Try these dupes, share your favorites in the comments, and let's keep the beauty conversation going. Thanks for joining this dupe investigation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty deep dives. See you next time.